This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today I've got a special guest. I've got Mark Garrett here, who's from Danco. Good afternoon, Mark.
Good afternoon, John.
Now, you are the Senior Marketing Manager for Danco, and you are the guy who can answer all of our questions when it comes to the different toilet pieces that are out there that Danco has in the industry.
You bet. I'll give it my best shot.
Let's talk about one that I've gotten to take a look at a couple of times. Saw it at the hardware show, and I was really impressed. Let's look at the Perfect Seal a little bit.
So what we have here, John, is we have a revolutionary product that Danco has developed, and it really does solve all those toilet problems for installation that your DIYers nowadays are experiencing. So it's great. I mean, if you've ever had to install a toilet ring on a toilet, you know how difficult it can be, what a messy job it is. So we basically eliminated all those issues and those challenges for the DIYer with this product here. So if you look at this, you'll see basically it still is wax, because we believe that wax is the best material to actually seal the toilet and without a wax ring. But this right here is encapsulated in plastic casing here, and what that does is that eliminates all the mess. So basically, this wax will still seal down that pipe.
Yep, hang on. We'll have to pick it up. Take it from basically that will seal down on a pipe. Say that line again for me and keep going.
Okay. Basically, this wax ring will seal down into that pipe 3 times stronger than a traditional wax ring. That's what's great about this. But then when it actually seals, now let me start that.
Yep, go ahead.
Over.
Okay.
So this wax ring will seal 3 times stronger than traditional wax rings. So you still have the great qualities of a wax ring and the sealing capabilities. But then as you position that toilet down onto that flange, you can actually remove the toilet as many times as you need if you need to reposition that toilet, and you don't have the messy wax ring like traditionally. The other thing that this product does which is really great, is it actually will help you align those bolts for your toilet. If you see here, you'll see these different alignment areas here, and you can actually put the bolts through that, and it'll help align the toilet so that it makes it a one-person job. Traditionally, it would take more than one person to do a toilet install. Now it's a one-person job because you just put it on there and it aligns those bolts.
Nice.
So not only does this make it less hassle and mess-free, but it's universal. It's universal because depending on where your flange is, whether that flange is below the surface of the floor or above the surface or flush to the surface, you can use the universal adapter so that you make sure that you get that tight seal and you get that good seal. So basically, if it's below the surface of the floor, you're just going to put this handy dandy adapter right there on top of that, and that's going to help make sure that you have the height that you need and make it universal. So a really great concept. I mean, it eliminates all the problems and all the issues of traditional wax ring, and it makes it simple for the DIYer.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. If people want to find out more information about the Perfect Seal, where can they go?
You can go to itsaperfectseal.com, and I'll take you to a website that'll give you all the information you need and also where you can purchase the product.
Sounds great. Sounds great. Well, thank you very much for your time today, Mark.
Well, thank you, John.
This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.